In my position as a research assistant for the University of Texas at Austin's Odin Institute for Computational Sciences, I supported the CREOS research group in software development, data analysis, as well as running simulations and improving the performance of simulation codes and data analysis workflows. My last project with the organization involved performing data analysis on sea ice and ocean state estimates associated with climate science models. The purpose was to make empirical comparisons between well-cited climate science model outputs in academia and the research groups in my TGCM climate model results. This was accomplished using libraries in Python, including pandas and dask for data ingestion and wrangling, numpy for model development, and matplotlib for data visualization in a Jupyter Notebook environment. So here we have a repository where I've uploaded my results. So if we navigate to our Jupyter Notebook here, we cell where I'm configuring the environment, setting file paths for data directories within the HPC environment, and importing necessary modules. And then I have a collection of cells where I'm defining helper subroutines for logging into the server, making API calls, parsing responses, downloading large netcdf files efficiently,